Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing how to see all new LinkedIn connections. Before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video, now on your main page what you are going to be doing is that simply click on your profile title, then you will be directed towards your profile section. In here you can see your connections. Make sure to click on that to open the list of your active connections. So basically all of these connections are that you already have. Now we are going to be sorting this according to recently added. So drop down this sort by option and then select recently added from this list. Once you do, all of the top one are going to be highlighted as the most recent connections or the new connections that you have added. That was pretty much it for this. As well, do not forget to get 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So that is something that you should not miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends and see you in the next video.